Welcome to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz. Today's current affairs. Let's begin. Arjuna Arasu தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவிற்கு வரவேற்கிறோம். இன்றைய நடப்பு நிகழ்வுகள். தொடங்குவோம். Question 1. Which of the following is the most common cause of acute stent elevation myocardial infarction, STEMI? AST, STEMI. The correct answer is rupture of an atherosclerotic plaque with superimposed thrombosis. STEMI is most commonly caused by the rupture of a vulnerable atherosclerotic plaque, triggering platelet aggregation and thrombus formation that completely occludes the coronary artery. Sariyana Badil. STEMI. Question 2. A 55-year-old man presents with central chest pain radiating to the left arm for 2 hours. ECG shows stent elevation in leads 2, 3, and AVF. Which coronary artery is most likely occluded? 52. ECG 2, 3 AVF stent. The correct answer is right coronary artery, RCA. Stent elevation in leads 2, 3, and AVF is characteristic of an inferior wall MI, which is most commonly caused by occlusion of the right coronary artery, RCA. Sariyana Badil, RCA. 2, 3 AVF stent, inferior wall, MI, RCA. Question 3. Which cardiac biomarker is currently considered the gold standard for diagnosis of acute myocardial infarction due to its high sensitivity and specificity? Gold standard? The correct answer is cardiac troponin I or T, CTNI-CTNT. Cardiac troponin I and T are highly specific to myocardial injury and remain elevated for up to 10 to 14 days, making them the gold standard biomarkers for diagnosing acute MI. Sariyana Badil, IT, CTNI, CTNT. IT 10, 14, MI. Question 4. According to JNC 8 guidelines, what is the recommended blood pressure target for a hypertensive patient aged 60 years or older without diabetes or chronic kidney disease? JNC 8, 60. The correct answer is less than 150 by 90 mmHg. JNC 8 recommends a blood pressure target of less than 150 by 90 mmHg for patients aged 60 years or older who do not have diabetes or chronic kidney disease. Sariyana Badil, 150 in கீழ் 90 mmHg. JNC 8, 60 CKD, 150 in கீழ் 90 mmHg. Question 5. A 35-year-old woman is newly diagnosed with hypertension. Investigations reveal elevated serum aldosterone, suppressed plasma renin activity, and a left adrenal adenoma on CT scan. What is the most likely diagnosis? 35. CT. The correct answer is primary hyperaldosteronism, Conn's syndrome. Conn's syndrome, primary hyperaldosteronism, is characterized by hypertension, hypokalemia, elevated aldosterone and suppressed renin, typically caused by a unilateral adrenal adenoma. Sariyana Badil. Question 6. Which antihypertensive drug is contraindicated in a pregnant woman with hypertension? Contraindicated? The correct answer is enalapril, ACE inhibitor. ACE inhibitors like enalapril are absolutely contraindicated in pregnancy as they cause fetotoxicity, including renal tubular dysplasia and oligohydramnios, especially in the second and third trimesters. Sariyana Badil, ACE. ACE. Question 7. According to the revised Jones criteria, which of the following is a major criterion for the diagnosis of acute rheumatic fever, ARF? ARF, major? The correct answer is Sydenham's chorea. The major Jones criteria include carditis, migratory polyarthritis, Sydenham's chorea, erythema marginatum, and subcutaneous nodules. Prolonged PR interval and elevated ESR are minor criteria. Sariyana Badil. PR ESR, minor. Question 8. Which valvular lesion is most commonly associated with chronic rheumatic heart disease, RHD, in developing countries? RHD? The correct answer is mitral stenosis. Mitral stenosis is the most common valvular complication of rheumatic heart disease in developing countries, caused by repeated episodes of rheumatic carditis leading to fusion of mitral valve leaflets. Sariyana Badil. Question 9. What is the recommended antibiotic of choice for secondary prophylaxis against recurrent acute rheumatic fever, ARF? ARF? The correct answer is benzathine penicillin G every 3 to 4 weeks, IM injection. Benzathine penicillin G given intramuscularly every 3 to 4 weeks is the gold standard for secondary prophylaxis of ARF to prevent recurrent group A streptococcal infections and further cardiac damage. Sariyana Badil, G3, 4, IM. G3, 4 ARF, A. Question 10. According to a recent news report, a Karnataka government school teacher died of a heart attack while on duty. Which of the following is a well-established occupational lifestyle risk factor for sudden cardiac death in working-age adults? The correct answer is chronic psychosocial stress leading to sustained sympathetic activation. Chronic occupational stress causes sustained sympathetic nervous system activation, raising heart rate, blood pressure and catecholamine levels, which significantly increases the risk of sudden cardiac events in working-age adults. Sariyana Badil. Question 11. Which of the following ECG findings is most characteristic of an acute posterior wall myocardial infarction? ECG? The correct answer is tall R waves and send depression in leads V1, V2. Posterior MI presents as a mirror image in V1, V2, stall broad R waves and scent depression, reciprocal changes, rather than the typical scent elevation seen in anterior MI. Sariyana Badil, V1, V2 are scent. MI V1, V2 are scent, MI scent. Question 12. A 55-year-old hypertensive patient is found to have bilateral renal artery stenosis. Which antihypertensive drug class is contraindicated in this patient? 55. The correct answer is ACE inhibitors. ACE inhibitors and ARBs are contraindicated in bilateral renal artery stenosis as they block angiotensin-2-mediated efferent arteriolar constriction, precipitating acute renal failure. Sariyana Badil, ACE. ACE. Question 13. According to the revised Jones criteria, 2015, which of the following is classified as a major criterion for the diagnosis of acute rheumatic fever? 2015, major? The correct answer is subcutaneous nodules. Subcutaneous nodules are a major Jones criterion. Prolonged PR interval and elevated ESR-CRP are minor criteria. a positive throat culture supports streptococcal infection but is not a Jones criterion. Sariyana Badil. PRESR CRB. Question 14. In a hypertensive emergency with acute aortic dissection, which of the following is the preferred initial drug of choice? The correct answer is intravenous leplol or resmolol. In aortic dissection, 4 beta blockers, leplol or esmolol, are first line to reduce heart rate and blood pressure simultaneously, thereby decreasing aortic wall stress, DPDT. Sariyana Badil. 4. DPDT. Question 15. A recent news report highlighted a Karnataka teacher dying of a heart attack while on duty. In the context of rheumatic heart disease, which cardiac valve is most commonly affected by chronic rheumatic valvular disease in India? The correct answer is mitral valve. The mitral valve is the most commonly affected valve in rheumatic heart disease, with mitral stenosis being the hallmark lesion, particularly prevalent in developing countries including India. Sariyana Badil. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz for a new quiz every day. பார்த்ததற்கு நன்றி. தினமும் ஒரு புதிய வினாடி வினாவிற்கு அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் செய்யுங்கள்.